Hey there! Ever found yourself juggling multiple SIM cards and dialing from the wrong one? Well, today I'll show you how to set a default SIM card for calls on your Xiaomi phone. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. First, grab your phone and open the settings app. Then, tap on SIM cards and mobile networks. Here, you will see the default for calls options. Now, if you want your first SIM card to be your default for calls, tap on 1. If you prefer the second SIM card, tap on 2. Alternatively, you can tap Select SIM card to dial next to these options. This lets you choose which SIM to use every time you make a call. That's it! You have successfully set your default SIM card for calls on Xiaomi phones. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button. Interested in more Xiaomi tips and tricks? Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.